Hello guys, the first time this my industrial machine tension remove, it took me nothing less than 30 minutes before I finally get it right. So in this video I'll be showing you step by step on how you can fix this thing if it remove on your machine. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. So the first thing you have to do is to find a small screwdriver like this, and then on the side of this tension you will see a bolt on this side, and then you lose the bolt. So make sure you lose the bolt like this. Once you lose the bolt, the next thing you have to do is to remove this stainless you are seeing on this machine. You'll be able to remove this stainless because the bolt is what used to tight the bolt together with the machine. So once you remove that, you will see a bolt here also, and then you lose the bolt a bit. So please don't remove this bolt so that you won't lose it. And then you insert the tension like this again, and then you tighten it again also. So that is it. You tighten it very well and make sure that it's very tight, and then you insert it back to the machine, to that hole, and then you place this one inside it again, and then screw it rather. So once you screw it, that is all for this. So I believe this video is very helpful. So please, if you want to know more about this channel, click on the subscribe button so that you'll be able to see a lot of videos. Has anything like this ever happened to you before? Please let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and then bye for now.